Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing a special package from Xiaomi. It is Xiaomi's multifunctional camping lantern, which by the way I'm planning to use as a night lamp. And then we have Bluetooth control, we have a detachable design as it's been made for camping, which I'll show you later on. Colorful ambient lighting. This is how it look, and the center part comes off and you have dual lights. We might have the control knob and some of the other features. So it's the same detachable design, Bluetooth control, ambient lights. It has a lithium ion battery and weighs around 565 grams. It's IP54 rated. Just some of the usual thing. This is how cool it'll look. Okay, you can even hang it when you go out camping. So let's use our special unboxing knife and go ahead. Without ado, this looks too tight. Okay, wonderful strong packaging. Let's get the lid off. Oh, it's already detached. Let's go ahead and see this. So it looks like, okay, it has a clip and it is has a torch. Does it turn on? I have no idea. There seems to be like a button here. Oh, okay, so it's torch. You got a long press, it turns on. Okay, once you press and then the center line. Very cute, very cute, very cute. I'm really starting to like this now. Wow. So in turn I have two night lamps I can use. Okay, long press, switch off. Let's open the bigger one. Just wow, just look at it. Piece of art. Bought this for around 35 pounds, I think. Okay, some openings here, don't know what they are for. Okay, just looking at the top. Okay, so this part goes down and this part goes in, I think, and so it gets locked. You can carry it. Okay, let's turn this on then. Okay, oh nice. Okay, what does the knob do? Oh wow, really light. So you can use it for a candlelight dinner. Ooh, let's go full bright. It's amazing. It's really bright. Let's press this. Oh, it's changed to yellow to orange and it's flickering. And again, oh, it's like an SOS. It's done yellow, green. Probably, you know, you're having a party at home. Use it red. So white again, yellow. So guys, yeah, that's about it from the unboxing. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in the box. Let's put it to the side. Some manuals, some more manuals. Is there a charging cord somewhere? I think so. I did read there is a charging cord somewhere, and I think I have got to it. Yes, sorry. So this seems like a USB to Type C. I'm just curious where this would charge. Okay, so here we have a charging port. Okay, so I'm going to use this and see, you know, how long it takes to charge. I'm going to connect to Bluetooth and see how the battery life lasts. So guys, go ahead and give this a like, and see you in the next video, probably a full review of the use. See ya, bye.